Alright everybody, next up on the list of stuff to do is the alternating continuous spin. This is on the highly advanced trick list, and this is for good reason. The trick itself is something that took both me and Penix 2 years to just start to work with it and use it in routines. And so this is basically a combination of both the left hand and the right hand continuous spins, but done in a fashion that makes it look like you're throwing the trick in a figure eight. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to dip the rifle, same as always for every continuous spin that we do. You're going to lift up, toss with your left hand, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky. On that first toss with your left hand, you're going to toss it, the rifle will spin an additional count in the air, where you're going to grab it with your right hand. Now, this part is where people kind of get confused. When the rifle is spinning towards your right hand, you're going to continue the motion of the rifle. So you're going to grab it like this. The rifle you're going to use your right hand to continue the motion and toss the rifle back into your left hand. So, in practice, so that's one count of the alternating continuous spin. So you toss it, 2, 3. 3 counts to that portion. And then in order to complete the trick, you just rep until either your arms fall off or you've completed the proper number of counts of it. So in practice, it looks like this. If you notice, my left hand is always touching the underneath, the white part of the strap like that. And then my right hand is just getting involved, grabbing the top of the wood there and chucking it up to my left hand so that my left hand can grab it and then spin it back to my right hand, and it just alternates. In order to catch this trick, what you're going to need to do is when it hits your right hand, you're going to toss it up a little bit higher than you normally would and a little bit slower than you normally would. And then you're going to grab it and complete it like you would a normal single-handed spin trick. So, without all the commentary, that is an additional ending to that trick where you do an extra left-handed spin and then catch it with your right hand. So both endings to the trick can be used. I recommend you try both and practice if you're going to practice this maneuver. Remember, this is on the highly advanced list, so it's completely optional.